Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're using Telegram on your Android device and find the message text too small or too large, this video will guide you step by step to adjust the text size in your chat settings for a more comfortable reading experience. First, open the Telegram app on your Android phone. Second, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Third, from the menu, select Settings. Fourth, inside the Settings menu, tap on Chat Settings. Fifth, find the slider labeled Message Text Size. It usually appears near the top of the screen. Sixth, slide the control left or right to decrease or increase the text size. You'll see a live preview of how your messages will appear. Finally, once you're happy with the new size, simply exit the menu. Your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully customized the message text size in Telegram. To sum up, adjusting the font size in Telegram is quick and easy. With just a few taps, you can make messages easier to read and improve your chat experience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.